since it's for the channel and our ultimate goal of 1,000. I think it's fitting anyway. But besides that, I hope you are doing well and you're ready to relax and open up this monster of a package. Yeah, I do need a box cutter, but this can work just as fine at points. Here we go. Oh, the anticipation is killing me. One piece of paper. Two pieces of paper. Three pieces of paper. And here we go. Let's take out everything and see what we have. Okay. And just before we actually get into opening anything, I want to let you know that this isn't even the most I've spent for this channel on playing cards at once. I think it's safe to say this is my second biggest purchase of all time. But still, it's crazy. So let's put this box to the side and open up all of these decks. Here we go. One brick. Two bricks. Three bricks. Four bricks. And five bricks with a mini here. Here. Some cards. And another deck. So let's take a look at some sample cards first in this lovely little packaging. Come on, there we go. Perfect. So let's go with the back designs. That one's cool. I like that. That one's pretty neat. That one, you know what, I'm probably going to say that about a lot of these. Ooh, really like that one. And let's look at the front. Oh, what the heck? That's pretty neat. I don't know what that is, but still like the art design. And there we go. Let's put these back in their little sleeve. And I want to let you know where I got these cards from, just in case you want to get yourself a deck or two. So, I have been buying from this place for probably almost my entire collection, and they're pretty awesome. This isn't sponsored, by the way, but I have been in contact with the website, and they're doing something pretty cool. So if you guys go to their website, just let me know. And if enough of you go there and just check it out, maybe get a deck or two, it's all up to you, then maybe I can get a deal with them worked out. But anyway, the link is in the description. Check it out. Honestly, they're awesome. They always deliver within like a couple days for me. And you'll see the cards. Best price around, you know. I love a good deal. Anyway, let's get into this. So this is a deck. We will open this in one video because it's all its own design. Alright, just a quick little glance because we have a lot to just a box, but let's see what's inside. Okay, let's start with this one. You know what, let's get to this one later, because I want to mention something, but I don't want to do too much at the beginning. Sorry about that. Alright, this one should have about, I say 10 decks, maybe 12 inside. Perfect. Oh yeah, this is where it's at. So, I really like kind of the water texture on here. Very neat. As you can see, as I have 3 on the top of this one. Very cool. And as we go through these, let me know which one is your favorite, and maybe we can work that into one of our solitaire videos as we go. Sooner rather than later, I should say. Ace Invaders. Oh, I know there's a reason I got this deck, but it looks like we'll just have to see. I'm always more intrigued by the decks you don't know what's inside. Like, that gives such little context on the box. Alright, so adding some tally-hos here. Blue and red. Add to the collection there. Different back designs, as you can tell. And this one is an array of colors, so kind of like a spectrum deck. Excited for that rainbow in there. And these are the complements to the other Telios, for example. Blue and red, regular design, and the red and blue fan design. From what I remember on this one, it is called a gaff deck. For those of you unfamiliar, it is cards that are kind of mismatched on purpose. More for magic, but also can be an awesome deck for visuals. So kind of like the spectrum, but more random. Box number 2. Okay, this one looks a little familiar for those of you who keep up with the series. I hope it is the same, or in the same design. NASA-esque. Fairly simple. Ghost stories, literature, playing cards. Doing this, I feel so crazy. Just knowing I spent $1,000 on this. But it's all for a good cause. The cause of a routine of relaxation. Dreyfus art, playing cards. Very 60s, 70s feeling to me, which is nice. Nice change, a very good variety so far. Besides that, but still pretty neat. I think this is just a lion deck, 41 of 1,000. Keith Haring. I always like looking at his art designs, very distinct style, so for those of you curious, this one's gonna be unique. Oh yeah, this one, remember, should be very awesome. If you couldn't tell just by the design. And last deck for this box. Thunderbird Room. Just kind of like a casino vibe, I guess, on the back. So we're at 24, 25, 26, 27 decks so far. This might be my favorite box. Here's why. Squeezers Cherry Limeade. I really enjoy the food themed decks and their face cards. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out. It's a nice little touch on the face card designs. That the small attention to detail is very appreciated. I love them, so I had to get more. Slicers. Oh, I guess it'll just be a mystery. When that time of year comes around, we will be prepared. Xmas, Christmas. Make it ×2. Ooh. Roasters, pumpkin spice, whole bean, coffee, playing cards. It's such a weird mixture so far. I love it. The Beatles. Make that the Beatles ×2. With those two decks, I finish my Beatles collection, and I'll make a video on them, of course. Okay. Vintage Valentine. If you've seen the last video, you'll notice the vintage theme, so why not get all of the vintage holidays? I think that's close to that one, so we all could use a nice cup of coffee, in my opinion. And let's put the box to the side. And might as well talk about this. So, the designs on these cards are pretty neat. A little bit risque, in my opinion, so I didn't think of that when I bought them. So I think I have to do these on a private video, or I think the plan is I'll do decks where it might have something that's not safe for everyone on YouTube on my member stuff, so unfortunately, unless they're good afterwards, to do it on the regular. But just in case, that will be part of my members video, so check it out. It's not, it's cool if you don't, but let's keep going. Tomato ketchup. Yeah, I got a condiment deck of playing cards. Trust me, they're fun. Aurora chilies. Let's put that in the middle because I know there are some other chilies coming. Orbit. Mustard. Gosh, I feel so dumb sometimes. Someone tell me I'm not crazy, please. Habanero. Oh, there we go. Look familiar. Donut shop playing cards. Who doesn't like a good donut? That's what I'm thinking. We got the mustard, we got the ketchup, so I need the hot dog. Gosh, seriously. Seriously, someone tell me I'm not crazy. Alright, jalapeno. So we have the habanero, aurora, and jalapeno chilies. What next? Chilies. Such a funny word. Chilies. Sticking with the food theme, we have some French fries, playing cards, FFP. Oh, fast food playing cards, my bad. Wonder where they got their inspiration from on that one. Okay, I just had a deja vu. I hope I don't have this deck. I'm pretty sure I don't. But if I do, it looks like we have another giveaway. Recipient. I try my best not to double up, but if I do, it just means someone else gets a deck of cards, so oh well. Win-win. Bubblegum playing cards. Bubblegum. Very fitting as well with the channel, so I had to gobble that up. Alright. Boy, how many are we at now? Let's see, we are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 high. 4 times 9, 45, 48, 50 decks. Damn. Alright. Don't worry, we'll splay them all out across the screen at the end. That's why I got this deck. I was confused. Like, what the heck is Magnum Force playing cards? That's why. Oh, that just looks nice, doesn't it? Ooh, more artsy playing cards. Swish. 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 Fun word to say. Try it out. Swish. Aurora. Northern Lights. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Montecore playing cards. Cool little lion. Tiger, not lion. Contagion, showing some germs. Gosh, looking at the decks, some of them don't look too interesting, but trust me, they look awesome. Pixel Kingdom. Ooh, looks regal and majestic. Very nice box. Cactus playing cards. I bet you never thought of that. But doesn't that look nice? Kind of like an Arizona, Nevada, New Mexico look. Deck of robots. Almost done. I love this simplistic design here. Just NOC. I don't know what it stands for, but we have a couple of those. And the last 3. Pizza. Spaceman. You can see the pizza slices of the rockets. Kinda silly, kinda fun. Versa. Kind of more on the computer 90s look, and a silver NOC deck. 729 of 3000. That's neat. And we're on to our last box. Here we go. I forget why I got this, but there is a reason, so just in case you don't know, we have this one. Oh my. My bad about that. I forget when height happens. You kind of have to adjust, so my apologies. We'll fix it soon. Sweet peas playing cards. Again, more food. Peas are healthy. Fruits and vegetables. You know what you have to do. Arrow. variety for that not to really matter. Okay, last two decks. Bicycle Super Truffle Pigs. That's more of a what the heck type of deck, but pigs are fun, little piggies. And lastly, the Black Panther deck. Theory 11, of course. I haven't seen the movie, but I know the cards will be just right. So let's organize these on screen and see all of the new decks added to the collection. Alright, Truffle Pigs. Let's see if we can do it a little by color. So, there we are. And as I do this, I'll kind of explain the place I got these from, because seriously, they're awesome. Let me know if you check them out. It would be pretty sweet if I got like a partnership deal, whatever it's called, with them. And, little secret here. I didn't spend $1,000 for these. I had a coupon for 23% off they mailed to me. So I actually spent like $770 or so on this. Hey, if you save money every time you buy something, it adds up. So, yeah, definitely took advantage of that. Pretty much every time I've bought something from them, you've seen them. Pretty awesome decks, wide variety. You usually see what you're gonna get. I just forget because, understandably, I have so many decks of cards. How can I? I don't even know if I could put all of these on screen. Okay, give me a second. Let's figure this out. Let's move these up and see what we can do. Oh wait, will these fit down here? They'll be a little cut off, but I think that's okay, just for now. Awesome. So let's keep like the themed cards together. Ketchup, mustard. That's so silly. Ketchup, mustard, pretzels, where's the hot dog? Put these over there. Bubble gum. Let's put the French fries next to the bubble gum. And what else? Let's see. Spicy next to the Twisters. Come on. There we go. Hot dog. Donuts. Alright, tally ho. Number 9. Fan. Those are regular. Those are different. And just in case you didn't see the differences the first time, just the back. Hey, a collector's gotta collect. Those of you who know. And for those of you, I've started a little collecting addiction or habit. I'm sorry, but not really, because it really is fun. They love sharing these decks with you once they come in. Honestly, I would love to do multiple videos a day, but then so many would get lost. I just want to make sure that we could see all the decks we can. Ooh, that's just right. Okay, now what else? Let's go. The colorful ones up top. I guess, yeah, that's the right direction. The Theory 11 decks. Oh, there's another tally-ho. So let's another. It's so weird. let's stack them up now. Guess we'll go middle with just what we have. Make a little pyramid. I'm excited for this one the most. The Spectrum 2 Tally-Ho. The Chili's. Let's put, oh my, honestly, I'm overwhelmed. It's still crazy to think this is only the second largest purchase for the channel, like cards wise. Where's that painting one at? Oh, no. Coffee, bicycle. Almost got it. Now, can we do this Spectrum color? Whatever these are. Professor Tate's Traveling Roadshow. Ace Invaders. Coffee. And we still have more for another level. This is insane. Look at, and we still have that and that. There we go, my friend. $1,000 of playing cards. 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 69 decks of cards. Saved over $230 on it. Yeah, I'm a little crazy. But anyway, my friend, that is it for tonight. $1,000 of playing cards before your eyes. Let me know if you check out that spot. It's worth it. But besides all of that, please have a relaxing remainder of your night. Please tell me I'm not crazy. And until we meet again, stay safe and eat your fruits and vegetables. I gotta find a spot for all of these now.